So how do you triple your points for the Aster Airdrop? In this video, no waffle, no BS, we're going to get straight to the point. And in this video, I'm going to show you a few advanced strategies nobody's even talking about to get that done. So let's get started. Link is in the description below, and that takes you straight to this page, so asterdex.com. And here, if you click on airdrop, it'll give you a little bit of information about the airdrop, which you can, click through and have a read about if you want. And you can see there the claim period. So all the way up to, well, it says 17th October, but I believe they're taking the snapshot on the 5th of October. So you don't have a lot of time either. Okay, so straight to the tips. The first one is, if you click on the description or pin comments and join on my team, we're doing massive volume every single day. So, millions in volume, and the team gets a much higher boost than most. So you all get that advantage if you join there. So automatically your points will be increased by a multiple. Next, click on deposit. Now, if you follow my previous video, you'll know how to swap USDT onto the BNB chain. We use PancakeSwap for that. So if you scroll down, just click on USDT, and then the key here is to click on Auto Mint USDF. Yes, you get some APY 9.6%, but we don't care about that. If you click on this, you're basically getting double the points when it comes to the airdrop. And then enter an amount, let's say $110, and then click on deposit. Confirm it in MetaMask or whichever wallet you're using. And that's the next way. Wait, obviously a couple of minutes for it to come through, but automatically double the points.